In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Botim to bank account. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Botim app on your phone, and as you can see at the bottom right, you want to tap on Me. Now once you click on this, you're going to have to click over here where it says Botim Money, and it says Add Funds over here, so just click on where it says Botim Money and you'll have some currency, so a certain amount of money on here. You want to click on that, and then after this, you'll get an option to click Send over here. So it will display a few things in the middle of your screen. So click the one to the very right, which says Send. Now, once you click that, once you tap on this, you will have to enter in your amount that you would like to transfer to your bank account. And then once you type that in, you will have to check the reason of transfer. Now, this is very important. Click transfer over here and then click send. Now once you tap send, what you have to know over here is that when you proceed to sending money to your bank account, there will always be a fee of 2 AED, okay? So it will cost you a bit of fee. Things may change in the future, so make sure you always check what the fee is before you do your transaction. Now, once you click send over here, you will have to enter in all the required info, such as your IBAN and other bank details, so essentially just the details of your bank account to which they will send the money to, and then you will have to tap on proceed to pay, and after that you will have to enter in your Botim Pay password, and when you do this, your money will successfully be sent to your bank account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.